Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of InfoSwap. In today's video, we are going to resolve the binary path error in PostgreSQL, which occurred while restoring the database. Let's get started. Here you can see, while we try to restore the database, pgadmin shows the binary path error. To resolve this, click on the File menu and choose Preferences. Select the binary path option under the Paths section. Based on your DB version, choose the bin folder and click on Save. Now let's try to restore the database again. Success! Now we can successfully restore our database. Thank you, we'll see you in the next video. Either way, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please support us by subscribing to our channel.